West Michigan, we've had our fair share of rain this weekend. Finally, this is our Saturday and Sunday were our third and fourth days this month of measurable rain. In Grand Rapids, it actually ended up being the fifth with a few hundredths a few days prior. There's the rainfall totals at some of our major sensors. Under 1.5 inches in Holland, 1.2 in Grand Rapids. The only area that eclipsed 2 is down near I-94 with Kalamazoo at 2.1. There's the updated rainfall deficit and or surplus on the year as well. Grand Rapids still an 8 3/4 inch rainfall deficit. So we need a lot more in the coming days, and it looks like we're going to get a handful of showers. So Muskegon, a little bit of color change happening right now. Otherwise, it's fairly green out there. Grand Rapids, we're finally starting to see like significant trees, or at least noticeable on the skyline, but the majority is still green. We're going to see that accelerate this week. You can see crisp temperatures this morning, 41 with mostly sunny skies in Grand Rapids. Really sums up everywhere. A few even saw the 30s this morning. We have a light wind, mainly out of the northeast. That's going to start to shift more southeasterly as we roll through the day and our next system starts to move in. So live satellite and radar, it's quiet across the state. In fact, you got to go up into northern Wisconsin and Minnesota where we finally see our next system making headway. Now this is going to move in fairly fast. By the time we get to 6 p.m., we're still quiet, but you can see the sector of warmth in that front. It's going to start to push right in. We'll see showers, I think, just after midnight here across West Michigan. Good news is that band of showers will exit before sunrise. We'll have a little bit of dry air here to start Tuesday, but the wind is going to ramp up. The wraparound cool air from this low setting up, we're going to see significant scattered rain showers here. It's not going to be overly heavy necessarily, but there could be a few thunderstorms. And then really want to focus in on Wednesday morning where we're going to have consistent lake effect rain. So if you're west of US 131, we're looking at persistent showers. The wind Wednesday afternoon is going to be strong enough to push that rain inland. Looks like it's mainly going to set up along and south of I-96 in terms of steady rainfall. But thankfully today is not one of those days. Southwest wind by the end of this afternoon, 10 to 15 mile per hour wind and highs in the low 60s. Tonight, the wind is going to start to ramp up a little more. Overnight low of 47, and those scattered showers are just the beginning of what is going to be a breezy, cooler week as well. Wind gusts tomorrow will peak upwards of 30 to 35 miles per hour, but it's really want to emphasize Wednesday, where at times through the afternoon hours along the lakeshore, we're going to have gusts upwards of 40 miles per hour. So back-to-back really breezy days here across West Michigan. It's paired with cloud cover. It's paired with rain. That is a fall system indeed. Thursday morning, we'll see a few lingering showers. That'll wrap us up. And then as we head into the weekend, we'll get a few days of dry air, but it looks like another system may be